Hey everyone, it's Lissette here. Welcome to my channel. I know I've been gone for a little while, but we are back with another video. I am so excited. I think the last time I did one of these videos was probably, I think last year. I received the package and I am so excited to show you guys what I received. And of course, you guys already know we're gonna do a nail design incorporating the package that I received. So let me just show you what I got and do this quick unboxing, and let me tell you a little bit about this brand. I am obsessed with this brand. So I received a package from Teddy Blake, New York. Like I said, the last time I had one of these packages sent to me was I think a year ago. I'll link that video because I did do a nail design for that as well, and they came out so freaking cute. This is what the inside looks like. I did go ahead and choose the one that I wanted. I'm so excited. So this one is the Margot, I think it's called, Stampado, the 9-inch. I'm probably saying that totally wrong. I apologize. Y'all already know I'm gonna link it for you guys. Look how freaking gorgeous this is. Oh, the camel color is so freaking cute. The size is perfect. Oh, I love it. Gold hardware. Oh my god, I love how long the actual chain is too, because if I wanted to wear it as a crossbody, I can. This thing is so cute. It's so luxurious. There's so much I can fit in here as well. We have the suede interior. This is all genuine leather. This is made in Italy, but they are based in New York. So if you don't know anything about Teddy Blake, let me just run down for you really quick what they're about.
Teddy Blake is a handbag brand that is based out of New York City. It is where luxury meets craftsmanship and affordability. Made in Italy from 100% genuine leather, this handbag exudes sophistication while ensuring durability for everyday use. Expertly handcrafted with strong stitching and high-end hardware, it's designed to last a lifetime, making it a perfect investment for your wardrobe. Getting the luxury perks without the luxury price tag, they're all about cutting the middleman out and giving you luxury at an affordable price. Enjoy a luxury Valentine with a discount of up to 35% off. Limited time, use the code in the description box so you can go ahead and save some moolah on your Teddy Blake handbag. If you like more information on the different types of handbags, styles, color choices they have, please go to teddyblake.com, or you can go ahead and click the link that is in the description box for more details. And thank you so much, Teddy Blake, for sponsoring this video.
I will have this handbag linked in the description box for you guys if you guys want to purchase it as well. But y'all already know this is a nail channel and we need to do a nail design for this handbag. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started.
Alright you guys, so this is what my nails are currently looking like. I do have a peel off base coat on, but from here I'm just going in. This is the extra long stiletto nail tips. I already pre-measured my sizes, making sure they fit from sidewall to sidewall. And you guys already know, taking out my side lamp, I'm gonna go in with my rubber base coat, and I'm gonna use this to adhere my nails. I like to apply this to the entire surface of the nail plate. I do take the nail, line it up, and then I go ahead and just flash cure that in place for at least 15 to 10 seconds. And then it is fully on. I go on to do this across all of the nails. Once I have all of them on, I do go ahead and put my hand in a full size lamp for a full 60 seconds. Now, since this video is primarily based around the handbag, this little quick nail design is going to be really fast. I'm not really going to go too deep into detail on what I am doing because majority of this stuff is already self-explanatory if you've been watching my videos. But again, I'm just gluing them on, and then I'm going to put my hand in the full size lamp for a full 60. Once I have that done, I'm gonna go in with a nail file and just start filing these sidewalls. This is me making sure it is blended in to the natural nail plate. Again, since I do have that peel off base coat on, I'm not really doing it too much. This is really just for demonstration purposes, just to let you know what I would have done if this was the actual set that I was gonna wear for a long time. But since I had that peel off base coat on, I do like to pop these off after because I do like to display my nails. But once that's complete, I'm gonna go back in with my rubber base coat and I'm gonna apply that all the way from the top of the nail all the way down to the tip. This is going to let the hard gel that I'm going to apply adhere to the tip, and I won't get any kind of separation. There won't be any kind of lifting. So yeah, I just like to do this across all of the nails, and again, doing another full 60 seconds in my full size LED nail lamp. For the color choice that I chose to go with, this is Brown Orchid. This is one of the darker colors that I have in my hard gel line. And then I'm going to go in with the oval number 6 gold brush. And I like to just take a small amount like so, apply that to the entire surface first. I don't cure, I leave this uncured. I just make sure this is a nice thin wet layer, making sure I get up into that cuticle area, not touching the skin, avoiding it as much as possible. But once I have a nice thin even coat, I don't cure it. I go in with a larger amount and I start floating that on top. This is me just trying to build the structure, build the apex, and just really trying to get that color on there. Once I have the amount that I like on the actual nail, I do go ahead and just flip my finger upside down, or my whole hand upside down, and let gravity do its thing when it comes to the apex. It just, you know, it works in your favor, having gravity help you take that product and put it to the center of the nail. But once you have that where you want it, you're just gonna go ahead and cure that in place. I do this one nail at a time, curing it, flash curing it. If I feel like I need to add more, I go back in with another layer if I feel like I need it. But for the most part, once I do one nail, I cure it for at least 30 seconds and then move on to the next nail. When I have all of the nails fully on, the hard gel on all of the nails, I do go in my full size lamp for a full 60 seconds just to make sure everything is fully cured and hardened. But again, I'm just doing this across all of the nails. It's going to be the same exact design across. This is such a pretty color. I was so happy that I went with this color when I was doing these nails. But again, this is me just curing it for a full 60. From there, I'm going to go in with my nail cleanser and I'm just going to start cleansing over the surface of the nails, removing the sticky layer because we're going to go into filing. And for filing, I'm going in with my 100-180 grit nail file, filing from sidewall to sidewall and then over the surface. Just really trying to make the stiletto extra sharp and really trying to shape these up, making sure there's no lumps or no divots. Really trying to smooth everything over. But once I got the shape exactly how I wanted, I did go in again with a buffing block and buff over the surface smooth, making sure I don't have any kind of deep scratches that I may have did with the hand file. And as far as the hand file, I did everything with the hand file. I didn't take out my drill or anything. The hard gel is extremely easy to file, so it doesn't really take much to get the shape that you're looking for. But again, just going in with that buffing block and just buffing over everything smooth. Again, just perfecting everything to make sure it is clean for application. I wanted to go in with this color. This is a company called Miss Cheering, and I think I got this from either Temu or Shein a really long time ago. It is a cat eye gel polish, and I thought it was so pretty. Now, the design that I'm trying to go for, I actually did a design. It was the Van Cleef design, where it took me forever to do these little this beaded design. It was the worst, you guys. I'm gonna actually insert a photo of what the design looked like, but it's pretty much going to be exactly like this. But since it is Valentine's Day, we're gonna do it a Valentine's Day version. So yeah, this is me just trying to switch it up and put something in the background, and it's a pretty pink cat eye color. Now, it was hard trying to do this and show you guys in the camera what I was doing because the camera was not picking it up, but trust me, it does show, and it is just a really pretty pink, not vibrant, but pretty pink cat eye color. But again, I'm just doing this across the nails. It's going to be the same kind of background, using that wand to activate the cat eye and then curing that in place, doing it one at a time because that just makes it easier. And honestly, when you do any kind of cat eye design, I think it just takes the nail design to the next level. I don't know, that's just my opinion. This is what it looks like with all of the nails painted. Now, I did have to stop here and go pick up my kids from school, but when I came back, this is what the nails ended up looking like. And I honestly forgot to record this part when I came back, but I did take this color. This is from Kawaii's Nails collection, and it is almost like a yellow jelly color. Now, I decided to put this on top of the nails because I felt like the color was a little bit too cool toned, and I wanted it to be more of a warmer tones color because, you know, I don't know, like looking at the handbag and then looking at the nails, again, I just wanted it to be a little bit on the warmer side. So I took this color and I did an extremely thin layer of this on top, and it is very sheer, very transparent yellow color. Is, like I said, I wanted it to look more of like that mustardy color, and I thought this just helped take the nails to like the look that I was going for. So I did do that on each of the nails, and I just cured that in place. But from there, I took this color called Cinnamon Roll by Nail Reserve, and I started creating my little tiny hearts. And the easiest way that I found doing this is just taking the back of my nail art brush, doing 2 little dots, and then using the detail side and just, you know, filling that heart in. Again, this is the easiest way, and yeah, this part was actually the fastest, but I did a whole bunch of different size hearts on all of the nails in different angles and directions, just to make it a little bit more fun. Now, the design itself, again, I wanted it to match the bag, but not necessarily be all about the bag. When I first did the other nail design, I was really set on really making the nails look very luxurious in a certain way, but this one I just wanted it to be focused more on hearts for the Valentine's Day theme, and there's not a lot of brown design when it comes to Valentine's Day, so I thought this was perfect. And since I got a new handbag, why not try to incorporate that color with the design? So again, I'm just gonna do a whole bunch of little hearts across all the nails and then cure that in place. And this is where the most tedious part comes into play. I ended up taking the smallest carrier beads that I sell out of the 2. This is the 0.8 millimeter carrier beads. I took some of that and I mixed it with some clear shiny top coat, and I'm not sure why I did this, but I ended up taking out some Bling It No Wipe rhinestone gel and I applied that to the entire surface. Now you're gonna quickly see, after I do this one nail, I end up not doing it to the rest because it just made everything slip and slide and a lot harder to apply the carrier beads. But this is me just tediously applying these tiny little carrier beads around each and every little heart, outlining it down to the T. This was so hard and tedious, you guys, but it definitely was worth the nail design itself in the end, how it looked. But oh my god, it was so small and tedious, and it took me forever to do. But yeah, I outlined every single heart with these carrier beads. one by one and cured it in place. When it comes to the other nails, I do one heart at a time. I don't apply the gel on the entire surface because it just, like I said earlier, it just made everything 10 times harder. Everything was slipping and sliding, and I couldn't cure it until I had all of the hearts. So it was easier just to not apply the gel on the entire surface, just do one heart at a time, and then go around the perimeter, you know, with the carrier beads like that. So it was so much easier when I didn't apply the bling and gel. But I'm just going to do this across all the nails to every single heart. Once I had every single little carrier bead on that I needed to put, I went back in with some shiny no wipe top coat, and I applied that to the entire surface, covering every single thing, going all over the surface. Really just trying to cover the carrier beads as well, because this could definitely get snags on stuff, and you want to just make sure you're locking everything in and just covering everything up. So doing a layer of this across all the nails and doing a final cure for 60 seconds. When I tell you these nails took so freaking long to do, it was forever, but looking at the nails after it was done, I think they came out really pretty. I'm really happy with how they look, and it was worth it. I just think they came out so good. Every single heart was on point as well, so I was just really happy with every little carrier bead being put in place and staying where I wanted it to go. I think they looked really good, but let me know what you guys think of this Valentine's Day nail design. And shout out Teddy Blake, thank you so much for sending over the purse to me. I truly appreciate it. Again, go to the description box, I have the link there so you guys can shop the Teddy Blake handbags. You will not regret it, I guarantee you guys. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love ya.